This is Nate with Lingering Sewer Solutions. Doing a sewer inspection today at 474 East Hopkins Street. We're in the basement where we found a floor clean out. Zero out the camera right here just before we go in. Alright, so we're starting out in 4-inch cast iron. That looks pretty good. And we're right into 6-inch clay. So only about 5 feet of cast, right into clay. No roots in that 4 to 6 connection, which is a very good thing. A little bit of an offset here, but that's pretty mild for clay pipe. Another great joint. It's a tie-in. That's probably where the gutters used to tie in. Back in the day, they used to combine the stormwater with the sanitary. Nowadays, that's not allowed, but that is, looks like it's all capped off and done correctly, so that's good. Good joint, little teeny tiny, little hair of a root sneaking in there. Wow, excellent joint. Looks great. Looks great. A little bit of a root starting to poke in there. Looks good. Another good one. Little spider web on the top left there. We've got little super fine roots coming in at about the 4 o'clock and the 7 o'clock position. Not a problem whatsoever right now. Same thing here. Same thing here. This pipe has either been very well maintained or it's just hitting its life expectancy. I'll be right back. Let me get a little bit of water flowing through here. Another one looks great. Fine, very fine roots. Very There we go, our first half decent root ball. Not even a root ball, just a medium-sized root. This pipe has been winning for the most part. The roots are starting to... Okay, looks like we got some more fine roots here. A little bit of an offset. There's the main at 62 feet. Oh. Okay, so we've got a offset here going up to the main. Let me go flush the toilet, see if we can clear that water up. Alright, we'll let this water finish gushing through. Let's see if that helped at all. Just help us be able to see what's going on, why it's holding water there. If there is an offset. Okay, you can see we got a little bit of scale in the bottom. And some ruds. And this right here looks like it's where the pipe meets the Y on the main. Yep, just barely past that. So there we're in the main. Go back, there's the lip into the main. Yeah, that's not helping either. So there's a little bit of a lip there. Couple roots on the left like we saw before. I can't say for sure because I can't get a perfect picture of it, but from what I can tell, it looks just like roots and a little bit of an offset here.